All right, this is Mark, and it is March 30th today. I've got about 10 days, actually about 9 days, to get this totally running, functioning motorcycle. Right now I'm getting ready to take off this old front tire. Got a new one waiting in the wings. Headlight shell coming on. I bead blasted the Kickstarter this morning. Didn't come out perfect, but you know, it's a 50-year-old motorcycle. So things are going along pretty good. Got the fender all cleaned up. Got that ready to go. You'll notice that the bench is empty because the motor is outside. So you can see my row of bolts that I've got over there left to do. But I'm making progress on it. I went ahead and bought a seat for $100 shipped. A seat for $100. I'll do it. I think the motorcycle's worth doing. So still got to do the back wheel. Still got to finalize the front end. Get the motor back in it. But things are going along pretty good. I have not hit any big snags yet. And that is huge. This is Mark reminding you to enjoy your vintage motorcycle.